Welcome to the Caliber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix scanner not working on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, the first step is just go to your search and search for services. From the best matches, just open up services. From here, just find print spooler. Just right click on this, click on properties. Then just make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Also click on apply, click on OK, and if the service status is not running, click on start and run the service. After that, just search for Windows Image Acquisition. There you go. Just right click on this as well, click on properties. Then also set the startup type to automatic and just start the service. After that, just click on apply, click on OK. After that, close all this and restart your system and try again. And if it's still not working, what you have to do is just click on the start button, right click on it and go to device manager. From here, you're gonna find all the devices. Just go to print queue, and here you'll find your scanner service. It's gonna be named HP scanner or whatever scanner. Just right click on that and click on update driver. Then click search automatically for drivers and make sure to update your drivers. After that, just close this. And another thing you can do is just update your Windows in general. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix scanner not working in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.